Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today, we're gonna be talking about the secret that I've been hiding from you all this time. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. I also want to thank Keen for sponsoring today's video. Keen connects you with talented tarot readers and astrologers that provide you with a deeper understanding of your personal situation. I always love using tarot cards and Keen because it gives me more clarity on whether or not I'm on the right track with my manifestations, if I'm in the right state or not. These readers have unique specialties designed to guide you through your specific situation, to give you clarity. Do you want to know if your subconscious mind is reflecting your desired reality? Do you want to know, based on your current state and techniques, whether or not they will reach out? Keen has a reader at the ready for you, and the thing is, you are in control. You have so many readers at your fingertips that are ready to connect via phone call or messages instantly. Go to trykeen.com/Rita or click the first link in the description box down below to try your first 5-minute reading for $1. I have been using a very specific technique for major manifestations that I have not spoken about yet, simply because I have so many topics to talk about and I'm so excited about talking about everything. So I haven't spoken about this, but this is a very important technique and it ties closely into the feeling technique, but I use this technique as a subcategory of that and call it the firework technique. So basically, what you do is whatever you're manifesting, you get into the feeling state of how would it feel if you had this boyfriend? How would you feel if you had this amount of money? How would you feel if you had 1 million followers on TikTok? As soon as I did this technique, this thing came to me at rapid speed. I did this very far and few between because you have to put in a lot of energy to do this technique. However, when you do it and you put in all of your force, all of your might, the results are very scary. I manifested financial freedom doing this. I manifested multiple promotions at my 9-to-5 doing this. I manifested 100,000 subscribers and more doing this. So this is how I did it with financial freedom. I would get into a position where I am not bothered at all. Pure sheer darkness. I'm laying in my bed, sort of meditating, and I close my eyes and I begin to feel the feeling of being financially free. I'm not affirming. If affirming helps, then do that. But I'm really trying to not convince myself, but really understand that in this present moment, I am financially free. Like someone called me a minute ago and said, you have all the money in the world, you have an infinite money glitch, you can do whatever it is that you want with your money. And how would that feel? As I'm doing this, I'm really hyping myself up as naturally as I can. I'm not forcing anything, but I'm really trying to milk all of the natural feelings that come along with financial freedom. So I would feel safe, right? Oh my God, like I have an amazing house. I have a roof under my head. I will never feel like I will go without. I'm able to provide for my family. That makes me feel amazing. I feel proud of myself because my parents are proud of me. I don't have to follow anyone's rules. I am not under anyone's clock, anyone's watch. I can go overseas whenever I want. Oh my God, that makes me feel free. I feel freedom. I feel so secure because at any moment, if I get sick, I can call a doctor to my house to come and see me. I will never have to feel uncomfortable again. I don't have to feel uncomfortable catching public transport. I can drive anywhere. Even if I get a parking ticket or something happens to my car, I'm always provided for. Money always provides for me. When I am traveling, I am always gonna feel comfortable and secure. And as I'm really riling myself up, I am feeling more and more excited, more and more secure, more and more safe, more and more comfortable, more and more on top of the world and on top of the world and on top of the world. And it's nothing that I imagine. It is literally a feeling that goes within my body. It's like an eruption of pure positive energy, of such excitement, and it feels so euphoric. It feels like the best feeling in the world. It almost feels like a climax. Like I really gather all of the most positive energies that I can naturally emit by thinking that, hey, I'm gonna be so secure, I'm gonna be so safe, I'm gonna be so comfortable, I'm gonna go wherever I want, I can buy whatever I want, I can buy any bag, I can buy any jewelry, I can buy any shoes, I can buy any car, I can buy any house, I can buy any houses, I can buy any investment properties. I have all of the opportunities in the world, I'm completely free, I can do whatever I want, I can literally have everything. The key is to really like understand this, and the feelings will naturally come to you as you're thinking these things like, oh, it's actually not only possible for me, but it is in my reality now, and how does that make me feel? And really understanding what that entails, whatever manifestation it might be. So all of these feelings are gathering and gathering and gathering, and I'm milking it and I'm milking it and I'm milking it. And all of a sudden I feel like this pure positive energy is just too much to handle. It's just so strong and powerful that I literally imagine it coming out from like my chakra, from my head, and erupting very fast. And I imagine pure positive light. It can be any color, but what I mostly do is imagine a firework literally erupting from my head of all of this positive energy and literally coming out of my suburb, my city, my state, my country, and literally spreading around the entire world, and seeing this pure positive energy, whether it's a firework or blue light or yellow light or white light, hug the entire mass of the earth and sink into it. And as I see that in my mind, I just know that it is done in this moment. Honestly, you can do this once. I have done this once for having promotions at Daily Mail. As soon as I did this, I got offered to present, and I was the main presenter of Daily Mail TikTok that had like 2 million followers at the time. I also did this with Financial Freedom a couple of times and with YouTube a couple of times. And I went into a Sabbath state instantaneously. When I tell you, it felt so real to me, so solid, that I had no desire, no inclination, no want to do any more techniques. I just was living in that manifestation, and I just knew that it was bound to happen at some point. Even when I was not practicing the law of assumption and I was not telling myself, oh my God, like it's already done right now, I'm in the state right now. There's grace to this. Even when I did not think that, I knew that it was gonna happen as soon as possible for me. And I did not worry at all, because you get into this feeling where it's like, it is done. Whatever techniques that I wanted to do in combination with that technique was not just something extra, but something that I felt like doing to remind myself that I already have it. If I did not feel like doing a technique, I took that as a sign that I'm in the Sabbath state and I don't need to do anything else because I already have it. When I tell you whether I did a technique in addition to this one or not, it came to me in a couple of days. Things just happened in a way where it was magical. Like things just fell into my lap almost instantaneously. And the thing that I love about this technique is it helped me not to ask myself, but where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Because it was just a feeling. Like I knew, there was no shadow of a doubt in my mind that I was gonna be very, very highly regarded at Daily Mail, that I was going to have hundreds of thousands of subscribers on YouTube, on different social media platforms. There was no shadow of a doubt in my mind that I was going to be financially free, earning a lot of money and being able to buy whatever it is that I wanted. So try this technique out once with whatever manifestation that you want to do. It can literally be anything. Whatever question you have in your mind, whatever desire that you have in your heart, you can manifest that right now. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.